Hello, Rick Comerick, Certified Financial Planner, coming at you with part 3 to our principles to pursuing a better investment experience. We're looking at 10 principles, and we're on number 7, which is avoid market timing. You see, once we've got our diversified portfolios of lots of different types of investments, the temptation is to kind of shift around and to try and guess which one will be the best. Is it going to be large cap this year, or value, or small, or real estate, or international? And the reality is that the future performance of those different types of investments is unknown. And when we look at the past, it's kind of a random patchwork quilt here. So there's no real discernible pattern. So the key is to avoid getting in and out of the various markets, and rather to maintain your asset allocation throughout the market cycle. Number 8, manage emotions. That leads right into that. Most people struggle with managing their emotions when it comes to investing. They want to go ahead and buy when the market's high and then sell when the market's low. Well, of course, that's the opposite that we should be doing. So it's critical to manage our emotions when it comes to investing. And part of that has to do with looking beyond the headlines, because the headlines are a daily barrage that will hit us, and they'll try and get us to do stuff that may or may not be in our best interest. And I like to call it the signal to noise ratio. And really, a lot of times it's a lot more noise than it is signal. So look beyond the headlines. And then finally, focus on what you can control. There's a lot out there that we can't control. We can't make the market do what we want it to do, but rather we can control certain aspects like our time horizon, our risk tolerance, our expenses, our turnover, our taxes, diversification across the global financial markets, and then most importantly, stay disciplined throughout the entire cycle. It turns out that investor behavior is more important than investment performance. So if you have any questions about pursuing a better investment experience, feel free to give me a call anytime.